નમસ્કાર મારા વહાલા વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, મેથ્સ એન્ડ ઇંગ્લિશ યુટ્યુબ ચેનલમાં આપ સૌનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે. મારા વહાલા બાળકો, હજી સુધી તમે આપણી યુટ્યુબ ચેનલ મેથ્સ એન્ડ ઇંગ્લિશને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ ના કરી હોય તો જલ્દી સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો અને હા વિડીયોને લાઇક કરવાનું ભૂલશો નહીં. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, આજે આપણે ધોરણ 8 અંગ્રેજી વિષયમાં યુનિટ 1માં એક્ટિવિટી 6 અને 7નું સોલ્યુશન કરીશું. એક્ટિવિટી 6 એ રીડ ધ ડાયલોગ કેરફુલી. Janki said, Uncle, I do not feel well today. Uncle said, Oh, you should go to bed. I will call a doctor. Janki said, Uncle, can I watch a film on TV? Please. Uncle, no, you should not watch TV. You should take rest. Now, give your suggestions to Vikas for these situations. Example, Vikas is ill. Vikas બીમાર છે. He is going to school. You should not go to school. You should go to a doctor. 1. Vikas is cutting a tree. You are watching him. વિકાસ જ્યારે ઝાડ કાપે છે તે તમે જોવો તો શું કહીશો? You should not cut the tree. You should save trees. 2. Vikas is crossing the signal. The red light is on. You should not jump the red signal. You should wait there. 3. Vikas is weak. He does not eat fruits. You should not eat fast food. You should eat fruits. 4. Vikas has 2 pencils. His friend has no pencil. You should give a pencil to your friend. 5. Vikas is walking slowly. His school bell rang. You should not walk slowly. You should walk fast. Activity 6B. Work in pairs. Match A with B and make meaningful sentences. Example, you watch TV for a long time. You should not watch so much. હવે આ રીતે આપણે A અને B ને મેચ કરીને મીનિંગફુલ સેન્ટેન્સ બનાવવાના છે, જે આ પ્રમાણે બનશે. 1. It is late and you are very tired. You should go to bed. 2. The station is very far from here. We should take an auto. 3. The red traffic light is on. We should stop our car here. 4. My friend cannot solve the sums. I should help him. 5. We should clean the school ground. It is dirty. 6. You should not touch the electric plug. Your hands are wet. 7. We should not take this route. It is a very rough road. 8. She should not reach late to school. Today is her exam. Activity 6C. ऐसा भी होता है. Work in groups. Arrange the sentences in a proper order. અહીં પ્રોપર રીતે સેન્ટેન્સીસને અરેન્જ કરેલ પેરેગ્રાફ છે, જોઈએ. Once a man was visiting the zoo. He was in the section of the wild animals. He was at the cage of the lion. He went very near the cage. He was kissing the lion. The lion became angry. Suddenly, the lion roared and grabbed his hand between its jaws. The zoo staff came there. They tried hard, but they could not save his hand. The lion ate up his hand up to the shoulder. They took the man to the hospital. A staff member said to him, You should not tease animals. Some pupils from Veerpur Primary School are on a visit to the zoo. They are mischievous. Advise them according to the given situations. Example, pupils throw garbage on the road. They should not throw garbage on the road. 1. Some pupils are making loud noise. Answer: they should not make loud noise. 2. A pupil is teasing the animals. Answer: he should not tease the animals. 3. Some boys are feeding the monkeys. Answer: they should not feed the monkeys. 4. Some pupils are going near the cage. Answer: they should not go near the cage. 5. Some pupils are jumping the queue. They should not jump the queue. 6. Some girls are plucking flowers from the garden. They should not pluck flowers from the garden. Activity 3B. Read the example and complete the sentences. ઉપરોક્ત કોષ્ટકના આધારે અહીં આપણને એક એક્ઝામ્પલ આપેલ છે. Vijay and Vibha like singing, don't they? Yes, they do. Pankaj does not like singing, does he? No, he doesn't. You like singing, don't you? Yes, I do. તે જ પ્રમાણે અહીં આપણે દરેક સેન્ટેન્સને કમ્પ્લીટ કરવાના જે આ પ્રમાણે છે. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, અહીં એક્ટિવિટી 1 થી 3નું સંપૂર્ણ સોલ્યુશન પૂર્ણ થાય છે. વિડીયો ગમ્યો હોય તો તેને લાઈક કરો, તમારા મિત્રો સુધી શેર કરો. મળીએ એક નવા વિડીયો સાથે. ધન્યવાદ. Now complete these dialogues. 1. Rahul said, the sky is very cloudy. Mehul said, it might rain today. 2. Bunty said, my homework is incomplete. Monty said, the class teacher might punish you tomorrow. 3. Ketan said, my name is there in the merit list. Veena said, you might get admission. 4. Tejas said, India needs only 4 runs. Amit said, we might win the match. 5. Papa said, the bus drivers are on strike. Rinal said, we might not get the bus today. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, અહીં એક્ટિવિટી 6 અને 7નું સંપૂર્ણ સોલ્યુશન પૂર્ણ થાય છે. વિડીયો ગમ્યો હોય તો તેને લાઈક કરો, તમારા મિત્રો સુધી શેર કરો. આવા જ અવનવા ઉપયોગી વિડીયો જોવા માટે આપણી યુટ્યુબ ચેનલ મેથ્સ એન્ડ ઇંગ્લિશ સાથે જોડાયેલા રહો. મળીએ એક નવા વિડીયો સાથે. ધન્યવાદ.